Thank you, University UT. Uh, Sonakshi is my daughter. She did well, and because of UT's staff, UT teacher, and they guided well. In fact, just to tell you that I have two daughters, and both of daughters are now UT student. Young elder daughter is already doing MBBS, and she passed out from 12th, also from UT. And now the younger one, Sonakshi, is doing the just did very well in the 10th exam. Especially the Vasi, she was student of Vasi, and Vasi's, I want to mention particularly Meena Madam. She looks after admin, and she was making sure that she attend all the test series, she attend all classes. She used to remind me by call. Thank you, Meena ma'am. Thanks a lot for that help. And the teachers, my daughter was used to tell me that the teachers was very good because of our busy work schedule. We can't follow really well in their education, but the teachers, they made sure that student did well, and also the complete study material, test material they followed, and that helps her quite a lot. And as a parents, we always get relaxed that when students is in UT, they will take care of a lot of things. And if I have any concern, anything, so during PTM or call it open house, so we always there to discuss or any specific things to be done. So thank you, UT. Thanks a lot.